Good morning to all. Today we are presenting a small drama in front of you. Our drama is based on superstitious. How do people believe superstitious? Let me tell you something about this. So, she is mother, she is her daughter, and she is her friend. She is Babaji, and I am neighbor, and she is Babaji's disciples. So let's start it.
Mom, what are you doing? Why are you eating? It's God food.
Okay.
Please understand.
Okay. Mama, listen me. Today I am very happy.
But I am very tired.
Listen me now. I am going to Mumbai for interview.
Oh, interview?
Yes.
It's very good. Okay, just wait. I do your aarti, then you go.
Okay. Mama, food is very tasty.
Oh, thank you.
So, Mama, bye, Mama. I am going.
Stop.
What happened, Mama?
Today is very good day for you.
Yes.
It's bad luck.
So what, Mama?
You should not go.
I am
You
going.
should not go for interview.
I do hard work for this. I am going.
I am saying you will not go, so you will not go.
Okay. But Mama, I want to purchase a new dress. That's why I am going to market with my friends.
Okay.
Okay. So listen, Mama. Please give me money.
Money?
Yes.
Take
Approx-
150 rupees only.
Approx 500 rupees.
Take 150 rupees only.
Okay, you are very nice. I am going.
The following of the puja's thali is just a carelessness of her. Don't involve it in the matter of superstitions. If she does hard work, then there is no need of anything. She will definitely get success. At night.
Ma, I have come.
Okay, but why are you opening here at night?
It's fashion, Mama.
No, it's not fashion.
Why, Mama?
Opening here at night attract ghosts. Chudela's bhutni. Do you know?
It's fake. I didn't believe.
What are you saying? I am fake?
You are not fake.
So why are you saying it's fake?
Okay.
Please try to understand.
Okay, Mama. I am very tired, so I am going to sleep.
Okay.
Opening here at night is not a big thing. Everyone doing this in the modern time. It is just for a fashion. This is the day of Tuesday.
I think then I came. Come.
You are ready?
Please give me 5 minutes. Sit.
I think your nails is very big.
Yes, I think you are right. I should
Cut.
my cut nails. Ma, oh, there is nail cutter.
Properly cut.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing, Mama. I am cutting my nails.
What day is today?
Tell me.
I think Tuesday. Don't
Tuesday,
cut
Mama.
your nails on Tuesday.
Why?
But why? Please give me reason. No.
Give
I
me.
will not
Give me
give.
reason.
Okay. Cutting nails on Tuesday make money less. Do you know her mother always cut her nails on Tuesday? That's why her father poor.
That's why she is poor.
Yes.
What happened?
Oh. He's right.
Nothing.
Let's go. Oh, come, Gigi. Please
Mama,
sit.
we are going college. Why?
Stop.
What happened?
It's bad luck.
No, I am going.
You don't go.
We are late.
You know, nowadays children don't even believe.
Yes, you are right.
You know, my sister daughter is also like your daughter.
Oh, really?
Yes. One day she was going their office, but one cat is crossed their road, but she didn't stop. After 1 hour later, she had an accident.
Oh, it's very bad news.
Yes. I think your daughter is also don't believe in this.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah. Okay, I am going.
Okay. Bye.
Cutting nails on Tuesday is not a big deal. If you don't cut your nails, then it will be dirty. It is more dangerous and harmful. And if we're talking about sneezing, the only reason behind it is allergy or cold. Don't involve it with money, less money, and another thing. Okay?
Knock. Mama, please listen me.
What happened?
My eyes has been twitching on since morning.
Oh, your eyes is twitching.
Yes,
It's
Mama.
very bad.
So
but
what
don't
can I
worry.
do, Mama?
But don't worry. Let's go to Babaji.
No, Mama. I didn't believe this. I believe now.
Let's go with her.
Okay. Somebody is coming.
Okay.
She has a black car. She is very rich.
Okay, I will manage. Bum bole.
Babaji, please do
What?
something.
Yes.
My daughter eyes twitching from since morning. Please do
See
something.
here. Sit here. Don't worry, I will solve all the problems.
Bum
Bum
bole.
bole. Ooh, you have a black car?
Yes, Baba ji.
What is this, Mama?
Shut up. Yes,
बम
Baba
बम
ji.
बोले. Come here. Yes, your black car is your main problem.
Oh. So what
Bum
can
bum
I do?
bole.
What can I do? Please tell
You
me.
give this car a great man.
Great
Bum bum
man.
bole.
Right, Mama, I think Bum Bum Bole, you are great man.
Oh,
Bum Bum
yes.
Bole. Shut up.
Bum bum
Please
bole.
take key of
Bum
my
bum
black
bole.
car. Okay,
Bum
let's
bum
go.
bole.
Bum Bum Bole, Baba ji.
Bum bum bole.
After 1 month. Knock knock.
Yes. Oh, come, come. Please sit.
What happened?
I have problem. My daughter not getting marriage.
Oh.
I am very tired.
I know one
about it.
uncle.
Oh, you know?
Yes, I know one uncle.
Please tell me.
Okay, okay. Let's go.
Okay. You go. I will come with my daughter.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you go. Where we are going, Mama? Go to your uncle. Oh,
Listen, listen, listen.
Yes, yes. Bum bum bole.
Listen. My neighbor has a problem.
What problem?
Her daughter not getting marriage.
Oh, okay, okay. I will manage.
Okay, you manage. I go.
You go.
Okay.
Okay.
Babaji, we have
What
problem.
Yes.
Please solve problem.
I know what is your problem.
Oh, you know.
Yes. Sit
Please.
here.
Oh, sit here. I sit here.
Sit here.
Okay, please solve this problem.
Okay. Bum bum bole. Show your hand.
I'm not there. Show. I am saying.
Okay. Yes. Bum
Please,
bum
sir.
bole.
Bum bum
Bum
bole.
bum bole. Oh, there is a defect in horoscope.
Oh,
Bum bum
so what
bole.
can I do?
You give me some jewelry. I will fix everything. Bum bum
Okay,
bole.
bum bum
We will not give.
Shut up, Mama. It's
You
fake.
Bum bum bole.
Okay, take it.
Okay.
Okay, take it.
Okay.
What is this?
Bum bum bole. Listen. I give you a magic key. They solve all problems. Bum bum bole.
Bum bum bole, Babaji. Okay.
Bum bum bole.
Hey, I hear that you went to the astrologer. Why? What happened? Because my daughter not getting married. That's why.
Hey, what are you talking? It's in her destiny. Whenever the right time came, she will get married. If you want to get her married, then find boys. Don't find astrologers. This is very wrong. I also stuck in the matter of these astrologers. They stole all my money and everything. Then I realized this is all is the fake. You should not involve in that matter.
I think you are right. Thank you so much, sister. You opened my eyes. Thank you so much.
Don't believe in them, okay?
Okay,
And make
okay.
people aware of that.
Okay. Thank you. एक काली बिल्ली के रास्ते काटने से अगर हम रुक जाएंगे, एक काली बिल्ली के रास्ते काटने से अगर हम रुक जाएंगे, तो बढ़ती हुई दुनिया के कदमों से कदम कैसे मिला पाएंगे?
कर्मों के पीछे अंधविश्वास, अंधविश्वास के पीछे कर्म। याद रखिए, ऐसा श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में भी लिखा है कि कर्म ही पूजा है या कर्म ही सब कुछ है। अगर हम काम करने के पीछे इन अंधविश्वासों को ले लेते हैं तो शायद कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने काम में पीछे हो जाते हैं। माना कि पहले से कई चीज़ें चली आ रही हैं, बट उनके पीछे लॉजिक हुआ करते थे, लेकिन अब हम अगर इन सब चीज़ों को मानेंगे तो शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमें दिक्कत होगी। मानना बड़े बुज़ुर्गों की बात अपनी जगह पर है, लेकिन ज़बरदस्ती उस चीज़ को अपनी ज़िंदगी में उतार लेना ये गलत है। इसलिए कोशिश करिए कि जो वास्तविक चीज़ है उनको मानिए, लेकिन अवास्तविक चीज़ों पर और कहा सुनी चीज़ों को छोड़कर आप अपने करियर का निर्धारण कीजिए और कोशिश कीजिए कि आप सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पर विश्वास कीजिए, वो है काम, काम और काम। ऑल द बेस्ट।